Okay. So I brushed out the back leg. Let's turn you around. I started from the top and went all the way down to the bottom. Olivia, stop. Now we're gonna comb. And just do small sections. When it's all done, lift it and pull it away. And do it to the inside of the leg. You can turn them around. Lift the leg. Stop, Olivia. And do the same. The inside. I don't know if you can see that. I'm holding her up underneath her stomach to get to this leg. And make sure you get the back of the leg to the back part. Make sure you get the back. And you can see, once we turn her around, this whole side is done. You see that? And the difference? On the curly side. We gotta do this whole side. Spray again. I'll move this table. There. And brush up all the way around the leg. Inside the leg too. Stop, Olivia. She's licking me. And you just inch your way down. Make sure you get, if you hold the hair, you can see to the skin. You can see that. And you're just doing it layer by layer all the way around the leg. And they'll let you know if it hurts. She does. More spray when it's sticking too much. When the coat starts getting dry, it's harder to brush. And this is done a lot easier if the coat is clean. This is with your limited sources at home. I mean, if you have to use a human brush, you just gotta do what you gotta do if you don't have anything. Move your head. And we're gonna try to get in between those toes. I'm using the brush to move the hair to the side. gonna spray it again. Missed it. Go over it again, and we'll go over it with a comb. Same thing, going up all the way to the skin. There's a tangle right there, I can feel it. Just gonna slowly work at it. See, she let me know there's a tangle there. Just go a little slower. There. You'll know when it's out. Now we got both legs done. We'll do the chest. Always going up against the grain. Make sure there's no tangles.